What's going on, guys? Beer here, back with another exciting unboxing slash assembling video. Today we're going to be assembling my new chair, Secretlab Titan. Unfortunately, I had to unbox it downstairs just because bringing it up to my room up here was asking a lot because it's like 35 kg. But I got all the pieces brought up now, and I'm going to be doing the assembly for you and kind of going through what it comes with. So as you might expect, you got your standard, chair components for like you would get with any gaming chair, or probably even office chair, your chair back, your chair butt, your base for where your wheels will be attached. This, I think, is actually part of basically the spine of the chair. I'm not 100% sure. I think that might be part of the lumbar support component. I literally just took these upstairs now, so I have to figure that out myself. Then over here, we got our head pillow, which is very nice and soft. Got our Titan's accessory box. This has our caster wheels, as well as all the tools and screws and so on we'll need. Very nice. The packaging, I have to say, does feel very professional, which is great because you pay a lot of money for this chair. This was almost it was on sale, so it was over £300, but yeah, quite a lot to pay. Anyway, we have our instructions here. If I want to flip this over, it kind of just gives you a little congratulations message, as well as a few pointers. Having a friend to help does make assembly a lot easier. I don't have that today, unfortunately, but it is what it is. And of course, flip it over. And this is your full set of instructions, picture by picture, which is very nice. Also comes with a welcome guide. I haven't opened it yet. I imagine it's probably to do with like the warranty and some, any online stuff that they have, and so on. So without further ado, let's begin the construction. Guys, so it took me just under an hour, well, more like 40 minutes or so, and the chair is pretty much assembled. Final piece of the puzzle here for me is the head pillow, so let's get it on. And there we have it. The Secretlab's Titan is fully assembled, looking nice and clean. Obviously I have to clean up this mess, so without further ado, I think I'm going to go ahead and do that, get my seat settings right, and then we'll talk about the chair a bit. What's going on, guys? So I've had this chair now for over a week or so. So I've had time to kind of get used to it and everything, which has been good, because initially it definitely was an adjustment. Like my previous gaming chair that I had, as well as office chairs I've used, they're a lot less firm than this chair. This chair is firmer. The kind of feel of it is a bit different. Even size-wise, it's a little bit different to what I'm used to. But now that I've had time to adjust, it feels very comfortable. I can't really imagine going back to my previous chair, which is great. Overall, I like kind of just the feel of it. Things like the head pillow is great. The adjustable lumbar support in the Titan model is really nice. I really like that. I think I prefer that to the kind of pillow that most chairs put there, like the Omega does as well. Of course, if you prefer that, you can still buy that separately as well and put it on the Titan. So overall, definitely initial impressions are very positive. You have a 5-year warranty with this chair as well, so you have some peace of mind basically for the longevity of it, because you want these products to last, especially if you're dropping over £300 like I did for a chair. What I will say is, at that price bracket, above £300, you can get other really good chairs. Like there's some really good office chairs in that market. There's also some good office chairs that are cheaper, to be honest, as well. You can also get a Herman Miller Aeron chair used for around £400. New, it's like £1,200. So if there are used Herman Miller Aerons near you, I would recommend at least considering those, because those are really, really high quality chairs.
especially if the person selling it is able to offer you the warranty, at least some warranty as well. It's worth considering, you know. But Secretlabs is a good option. I had some friends who have had their chairs before me, which kind of gave me an idea of what they thought of them, basically, and their impressions were all very positive. For me now as well, it's very positive, as I said. But you know, these things are subjective, so try, you know, if you can, try some chairs out beforehand before buying, or you know, if you have friends that have them, ask their opinions, maybe go to their house, try it out, that kind of thing. Because it fits me well doesn't mean it'll be right for you, you know. So that's the thing to keep in mind. Some people much prefer office chairs to kind of typical gaming chairs, for example. For me, I actually quite like gaming chairs, and this one in particular for me feels really comfortable. I can sit here for long periods of time, and I'm perfectly fine. In terms of the feature set, I'm not really going to go over it too much. This isn't really a full review. It's more just kind of an overview of my early impressions. But it has everything you would expect. You know, you have height, lowering and raising the chair. You can change the armrests in 4 different directions. You have some tilt as well for the chair. So yeah, you know, everything you would expect from a chair at this price bracket, you have. So yeah, that pretty much concludes it. Another thing I will say is the soft weave version of the Titan is worth considering. I went for the leather myself, mainly because I suppose it's just easier to maintain. Leather tends to be easy to clean and things like that. But the soft weave is really nice. It looks really nice as well. But also it's easier to stay cool in that chair. Like this chair does get warm on a warm day. We are in the summer here over as well, so it has been getting hotter, which is why I have a fan behind me. But so that's something worth considering. If you prefer a chair that's a bit easier to keep cool, soft weave might be a good option. It's a little bit more money, but you know, it might be better for you. So that's another thing to keep in mind. That pretty much wraps it up, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Hope it was entertaining. If you have any feedback, I'm happy to hear it in the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.